Are you just starting out as a brand new realtor, or maybe a realtor with a few years of experience, and you're wondering how you can increase your business without having to spend any money on things like advertising, marketing? And watch this video and I'll explain to you just how that is possible. Thank you so much for being here. For more tips on how to use technology to grow your real estate business, then please click on the subscribe button below and hit the bell to be notified of when I post a new video every Wednesday. I myself have been a realtor for 15 plus years and consistently rank in the top 1% of my franchise, and I did it all without spending a ton of money on advertising. One thing you could start off doing right away is being involved in community events. So go to whatever website you need to find out about all the events that are going on in your community. Show up at them, be present, be a part of it. A bonus, even volunteer. Reach out to the organizers of the any event that they are planning and see if you can help out at all. Lots of them are looking for volunteers. They would be more than happy if you helped out. When you're at these community events and you're helping, people are seeing you, they're starting to get to know you, and usually you get locals or similar people that start showing up at these community events. So as they keep going to different community events, not only you're going to be top of mind, but if you're helping out, they're going to see that you're helping out, they're going to see that you care about your community, and when it comes maybe years down the road and they're ready to buy or sell, they're going to be thinking of you. You're going to come top to mind because they're always seeing you at these community events. Another idea is doing free market evaluations. I know as realtors we think this is a given, but there's a lot of people out in the public that don't realize we offer free home market evaluations. Let them know. Pick a street, just any street in your community that you want to target on, and just make it that block for that day. Go out, take a picture, find the street sign that's at the corner. So if it says whatever street, whatever avenue, go take a picture of that street sign, put it on a flyer, and then on your flyer write on there saying, we are going to be on your block this day, this time, doing free home evaluations. If you would like to schedule one, get in touch with me. Here's my number. We have limited spots available. We're only available between 1 and 4 p.m. on this day. Put that picture on the flyer, put it in everybody's mailbox on that block, and you're going to get people responding to you to get these free home evaluations, because first thing when they open it, they're going to see the picture of their street sign and know, wow, this is really for me. This is about me. It's not just one of those generic that we've seen. I'll come give you a free home evaluation, or properties in your area are in demand. They see that you actually targeted just their street, and gets them a lot more excited because they know it's more for them and not just for anybody in the city, and only this applies to them. There's a certain day and time that you're going to be there, and they realize there is spots limited because you've only got so much time. You're not going to be able to do everybody on the block. So once they're filled, they're filled. This is a great one that you're going to get people contacting you. You can get in the door, give them their free home evaluation, and now keep in touch with them for as long as it takes. Just provide them value, keep giving them good information, and again, when they are ready to buy or sell down the road, you're going to be top of mind, and they're going to see you provided them value, and there's a good chance that come down the road, they're going to be contacting you. Join a local club or organization. So this is somewhat similar to the first one I said, except you're with a club instead of a community event. So things that come to mind are like Rotary, some organization in your community that helps people that are less fortunate. Maybe it's a sports committee. Just be involved with these clubs or groups that are help organizing things and bringing some good to the community as well. These clubs, they have weekly meetings. So if you're going to a meeting every single week and you're working with other people and helping each other to make the community better, or whatever you have to do within that organization or that club, everybody that is in that organization with you remembers you. They work closely with you. They're seeing you on a weekly basis. They know you're the local expert. You are the realtor of their group. So whenever they have a friend or a family that says, hey, do you know a realtor? They're going to more than likely be recommending you because they've got to know you. They know you as a real person, what your personality is. They actually know who you are. So if they like you, they know you, they trust you, they're going to send their friends and family to you. And even when they're ready to buy or sell, it's going to be a similar situation where they're going to be contacting you for advice, and then you may have a customer for life. Are you a part of any clubs or organizations? If so, comment below and let me know. On the social media end of things, you could create a Facebook group. Facebook did change their algorithm, so when you're scrolling on your Facebook feed, you're going to notice a lot of posts that are shown first to you are any groups that you are a part of. Because of that, you should be taking advantage of it. You could do something like just creating a group within your community about information about the community or real estate tips, different community profiles, just something about the community that people want to join, they want to be a part of, they want to collaborate. If you have that group created, they're going to be seeing that first thing on their feed more than likely, especially if you're the only group that they're a part of. But with those groups, there's a better chance you're going to be seen. So be the moderator. They're going to see that you're the moderator. You're the expert in that field. So again, have it community related, have it real estate related, because we are realtors, of course. And then as you are providing good material in there, or if somebody has a question, you can help them. Everybody's seeing that. Everybody's getting the knowledge from that. They're collaborating. And again, it's just another thing to keep you top of mind. It's free to do. It just takes a bit of time to set it up. If you're the only one in your community, or you get people that are in that group, you're going to be the only realtor that they've known, or that's top of mind to them. So you're just going to have a lot better chance of being seen versus anything else. Lastly is, of course, I'm talking technology, social media, any social media at all. Everybody is on their phones today, literally always on their phones. We need to take advantage of it. So post to Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever your thing is and you're best at and you want to be better at, blast it on there. I find we still have great results from Facebook and Instagram. With Facebook, you can go out and blast your Facebook with community videos. Create videos on your community, talking about your community, all the great things in your community, the parks, the schools, the restaurants, anything and everything that people would want information about and know more about. Especially if you're a new realtor or your business is slower right now, this is a great time to take the opportunity to be able to go out and film these videos. You don't have to hire a videographer, and like I said, the point of this video is spending no money or little money. You could just be as simple as using your phone. Just get started there. It doesn't have to be this high production Hollywood type of video. It's just got to be good information. People will pay more attention to good information videos than they will on your audio and sound. Most phones these days, you can get some pretty good video and sound just from them. So do a vlog style, maybe have a friend help you out. But because you have all this time on your hands, if you're not currently have a database of customers, take your free time and just do all these tips from this video. You are going to notice a change in your business. Just be consistent with it. Keep doing it all the time. If you're doing videos, post them how many ever you can do. If you can do more, it's great. If you could do one a day, is amazing. But even if it's once a week, just get those videos posted, have some consistency so people know that you're going to show up for them, that what they can expect on your page. And guys, just provide some value. Just good value videos that have great information. People are going to find you. They're going to start sharing it. They're going to start following you in return. They're going to remember you, know you, like you, trust you. And when it comes time to buy or sell, you're the one they're going to call. So now that you know some ideas that you can get out to start generating some business with little to no cost, but maybe you're wanting some more video ideas, then you're going to want to click on the link in my description below where I share my guide of video ideas that have 10 times my leads. And when you're done here, remember to check out my prior videos I created on Facebook ads to generate real estate leads. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it, subscribing, and sharing with anyone else you may find this beneficial for.